coincidences. This morning I woke up. I was delivering some pallets, and I woke up, and oh madreado from my. Bro, going downhill, you gotta shift way faster because then the truck starts acting weird. Like I'm already within seconds. Sections I'm already in 7, 8. Yeah. So right now we are currently in my hometown of Bakersfield. Right now we're gonna pick up my little brother. He hit me up. He goes, "Hey, actually no, you know what? I told him because he likes said, hey, we're gonna deliver tonight in Miraloma." Let me hit up a little gang. Tough way. Get your shit ready. Hey, where you at? Huh? Alright. What happened? Okay. I'll pull up in a bit. I'm right here. Alright, man. Alright, y'all. So yeah, he hits me up, or I hit him up, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm about to do this, I'm about to do that. And we were chopping it up, and I told him, I was like, oh, well, I'm gonna go to Miraloma, and then after Miraloma, I'm going to San Diego tomorrow. When tomorrow when we get back, I'm actually going to. Tomorrow when we get back, I'm actually going to go do some things at my house that I've been anticipating on. Okay, you know what? I'm an idiot. Like, shit. That's right. This motherfucker act like it's not cold outside. What's up, motherfucker?
I'm tired, wait.
Hey, you better not fall asleep like 5 minutes going up the grapevine. Hey, right now, I seen a specific Camaro doing some burnouts right now.
Oh, I heard it.
How the fuck are you fucking lying ass? How the fuck? How you gonna hear that?
You can hear that shit?
Oh, where was it at?
Huh?
Where was it at?
You can hear it.
Hey, what do you think about the lights? This is the brightest one now.
I'm fucking tired.
You tired?
Yeah.
Man, move this shit because I don't. Yeah, you know you just look what you just did in my fucking hat.
Calm down.
Let me see the top.
Shit.
Whoa! Yeah.
Someone got put over in front of us.
Yeah, I'm in a new Pachuco. Okay, record. Put that shit like back here. Chale, vale. Right here in the middle. Here you want to record.
What do you want me to record?
Huh?
What do you want me to record?
Interaction.
Huh?
What are you doing right now?
Man, I just barely moved. Oh. I didn't wake up.
Huh?
I was up for a while now.
I was watching.
Mira.
I was watching a fucking YouTuber. What's his name? What is it? What's this?
My ring.
Oh. Look at this.
Dulce.
Who's this for?
Me?
For you?
Yeah.
Oh, bitch, I thought it was for me for a second. I was like, damn, a pinky ring, shit. Like, oh, this ain't gonna fit my pinky. Damn, I'm this. Oh, it's for this one right here. De la H.
You count.
Fucking bad, huh?
That's just me.
It's just good as fuck. How much is that? Feel like, hey, how much am I worth?
How much am I worth is crazy.
You gotta put the camera like this so you can capture us. Oh yeah, so I'm telling you, I was watching what's it called? That fool Jerry Tweak. And that fool has what's his name? That fool has here. What's that fool's name? He has that one fool. That skinny ass kid. What's his name? You know Jerry Tweak?
I know what Jerry Tweak is.
Okay. He has his one skinny chulo.
Probably. I don't really watch it like that, but.
Well, there's a race where Chulo and Jerry were sitting on at the booster truck, and Lalo and the other fool that's with his friends, the little two chubby ones. We're trying to not discriminate, you know, but it was the heroes all. The two fat ones in the Coyote and the two skinny ones in the Chevy. Well, anyways, they're racing, and fucking when you race, what are the windows?
For some reason I thought we were in the Silverado. I was about to pull it up.
When you race, what do? You race, you record, and when you're racing and you're recording, you're supposed to record what the trucks, no?
Yeah. They're recording the ground?
Well, fucking Chulo was recording Jerry's face the whole time when they were racing. And tell me why that reminded me of you. I was like, man, record the back, record the bird now. You're over here recording my face.
What? Oh shit, I'm tripping.
What happened?
For some reason I thought it was green.
Oh. Alright, fam. Tell everybody that we're gonna see up in Cascadia for this. Tell them. I'll see you on Cascadia.
I'll see you guys in Cascadia.
Slap the camera in the face. Slap it in the face.
I'm surprised you didn't know about that shit.
Know about what? Well, it's because I never had lights. And we fucking made it touchdown, homie. A Charlie said. Alright, so we're finally adding the other watermelon. That's this. And for those that don't know, this piece right here, it's got two wires. They're both power. That black one is gonna be your auxiliary power, which is the blue lights. And the green one is gonna be the orange one, which is your amber. But you have to have the specific base for this. This light right here, it turns from amber to blue, just like that one right there. And y'all see right now. Oh damn, I have my phone up there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, right? That little piece right here, pull it out. Pull out the wire, and you're just gonna slide it in. See the little wall right there? Yeah, that means you have to slide it in from the other side. And then if it doesn't go, grab the screwdriver, careful with your finger, and push in. And then look, it should reach the pins. All right, there, that's good enough. It reaches the pins because when you squeeze it, it'll make contact with the wire. So now, you're gonna get. So which one is this one? The white one?
Right.
All right, you're gonna connect it to this white one, but you gotta make sure you got good connection. And then squeeze with the, hold on. How are you gonna squeeze? Show me first. No. Like that, yeah. No. Squeeze from yeah. See how it squeezes through? And then bam. And no wires get exposed. Now you're gonna do that to the next one. Hey, hold on. I don't like this right here. This entwine, I don't like that. So bring it out this way because I just don't like that. No, yeah. You took it out? It's just that whenever you pull when you see, see? That's what I'm talking about. You gotta make sure you got good connection. Now take that off. Here. Now, do I have more? No, I had more. Here, hold it.
That wasn't turning on?
Nothing fucking turned on. I was all upset. Oh shit, my bad. Alright, so we just want to make sure you connect it to the same spot. There's a little screwdriver. Okay, so I'm gonna make the hole big. Make the hole big, kind of mess with it. And then make the hole in the back big too. Look, you open it up. And this is gonna break on this side, but it's all right because this wire that I have is pretty good wire. It's thick. I'm gonna slide it in, and it slides in easy. Boom. But just how it slid in easy, it can also slide out easy. Don't be having perverted thoughts, Aaron.
He needs some milk.
So you gotta push it at the same time. The other pizzas. Oh, give me those pizzas. And then always right before you're gonna squeeze, push it in. And then once you see that everything is good, squeeze this shit like that. And then give it a little pull. You got boom. It's good. So we connect that. So you see what I did?
Yeah.
All right. You don't have to, oh, yeah. Get the screwdriver, and you're gonna, oh shit, it's upside down, shit. Push it in the bottom. Push the hole in the bottom. What I'm telling him to do, push it in the bottom, let me see. No. There's two holes. There's the one that, if you look, okay, so if you look at it this way, the bottom one is that bottom circle, and there's a top circle. The top circle is going to be the bypass, but the bottom one is the new wire that you want to connect to the bypass. So there's already existing wire, and we're going to add more wire. And you're going to put that black one in the bottom. Just slide in easy, right? Don't squeeze this. Don't squeeze that. Did it slide in good or no? If it didn't, start all over. I'll make that hole bigger again. Because you'll... Honestly, wait. Yeah. Pull it up a little bit. Don't squeeze it. You're squeezing it with your fingers. The bottom one. Just slide it in like if you're sliding in the wire. There. That's it. Don't squeeze. Don't close it. Now, how you opened it, you're also gonna have it's gonna be able to come out easy. So boom. Make sure that keep your finger right here. Don't let that wire come out. That white wire is that blue power. That black wire is ground, and the red wire is power for the amber. All right, before you squeeze, you want to make sure that that's in all the way. All right, now hold it right there like that. There you go. Squeeze hard. Squeeze harder, 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 harder. All right, now do a little pull test. No, the other one. That one. All right, it's good. Don't pull too hard. But there, close it. Boom. And also, you want to make sure that there's no wire exposing on the other side, because now you're giving it power. All right, now it's good. I don't know when it's time to shoot. All right, bro. All right, cool. So now you got this wire, and this wire. So you got your. Oh, you know what? That's why I like these. So I can just snip in the middle. You gotta be careful with your fingers. Snip that. Snip that. And we're doing that. Alright. So first is first. I need the little circle right here, that little nipple, it needs to be like this, because it's gonna bite down where it's gonna bite onto the, see that? It's gonna bite onto the wire. Oh shit, I got my glove. I really gotta be careful. Imagine that with skin. Y valió gorro, te mochas, güey. And you stop working on the lights and you go to the hospital.
Mr. God is going to have us inside.
Alright, so you see how I did that one? No. You see how I did that one?
Yeah.
Do one at a time with this. So that white one, do you know which one's auxiliary on this? Oh, this is upside down again. Auxiliary is that black one. So you can put that down. It's not gonna, no, it's okay, it's okay. So you're gonna get that, what is that? That's female? So you're gonna get one of the males. And honestly, wait, that's cool. Well, I always like to. It's cool, but it's doable. But en caso, wait, no, not so much. No, like, look, see how these are the. That tells you the numbers, the gauges of the wire. This wire is anywhere from 14 to 18. I think it's 16 gauge, but Modelo with the 14. Well, no, higher. No, see how you batallaste? Now you gotta go up one a little bit more. Well, no, that's fine. But in the future, I already know. So I see what, look, just with doing this, I said, okay, I'm biting the wire right there. I mean the plastic. So I know that I'm gonna be good. I'll be good. Where's the little twist that? Twist the wire. You wanna wear gloves? Alright, and then hey, I just realized I like how we came to do a work shit and you brought different shoes instead of your white Nikes or your black Air Maxes.
I know I wasn't gonna bring them.
More in. Exposed wire? You got wire exposed over here?
Yeah.
Okay, so bite it hard. Alright, now go a little bit more back. Or you know what? No, never mind. I forgot that this is big, so it bit down a good amount, huh? Yeah. So connect that to the white one. And honestly, right there, I think even the blue one's gonna turn on, or connect it, and then put black tape. I think the last time I did it, oh, it didn't connect? Okay. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. It scared me because I was like, alright, it wasn't getting ground. So right there, this ground right here, put it on the base and the careful, and it should turn on. Boom. All right, hold on. No, I mean, I just with that alone, you know, those two connections are already good, and I know the power one's good, so I'm gonna turn those on. I mean, before somebody says that I have a messy ass truck, it's all like this because we're putting on the light. So base, glass, screwdrivers, rings, connectors, bit heads. So okay, so what's next?
Red with green.
Yep. So here. And just so y'all know, this is my brother Aaron. You camera shy fool or what? You want to be on camera? Oh. The other day, Lalo's all like, I wonder if it's camera shy. That one? Is this the one from? Okay, that one used the last one. Squeeze it. Go to the no, stop. Go to the next one up. No, okay, go to the next one up. Oh, careful, fool, no mames. Good. Are you serious? Let go of this one. Here, hold it. Oh, up here. Squeeze that. Oh, it's because it's that thick ass fucking the coating on this.
That's plastic.
It's just thick. What I'm talking about is this little outer piece is thick, and the wire right there. Oh my man! Oh shit! There you go. That wire is thick, and the coating on the outside is thick. I mean, the wire is thin, and the coating on the outside is thick. There. So I'm gonna connect those two, and that should turn on. Go. Wait.
That didn't look right.
Go connect it again. Okay. Something is wrong here. Connect it. Connect it. Just leave it on. Okay, that means that one of these is bad. Connect that to the black one. No, it has wire exposed right there. Oh, I know I did that. Connect it. Oh, to the red. Okay. Connect it. Connect those two. No. Just connect the red and the green. All right. The reason why I did that is because look, it has no ground. So look, once you connect the ground, it connects the res. Yeah, last time that tripped me out. I got scared.
I got scared right now too.
So no, you're fine. It's just that it sucked the ground. Since this has some kind of ground. No. Since this has some kind of ground, it sucks, and it doesn't have enough ground. It sucks all the ground it can from these lights, because these are still connected somewhat to. It's weird, but I got scared, so I did some looking. I looked into it, and I figured out what was wrong. So we're gonna get a male and then a female. That's just scary, huh?
Shit gets scared me a little.
No, make sure you got good connection, or you got good exposure. Alright, squeeze it. Now do this one. It's right here. Cut. Oh, did you already cut into it? No, you didn't. Cut more into it. Go higher. That's fine. The other one that you put, was it a male or female? That's a female one, so you gotta get the male. It's
Right there on the phone.
where? Oh. Alright, now connect it. That's just scary, huh? Always do a little bit extra on the power or on the wire. No, like, you didn't have to go that down, but that's alright. I know I had another black tape. You know where I left it?
Nope.
Oh, I know where it's at. It's in a little bag. Look, one more, so you can start, because you're taking too much tape on one same spot. So start jumping over. Alright, now get the... Alright, so now with this black one, I'm gonna do it. Sure. You can put it down right here. Oh shit. When it smacks, I've noticed that it does that. Like it gives a... Alright, it gives a power. Alright. Go right here. Since it's glass, I've only seen that. The best way to do this, since this is direct ground, I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna use these holes to bolt it down. Oh shit. So just put wire in there and put like that. And this should be good. Chop. All this wire we're gonna tuck in. So a little seal's gonna go in there. Well, actually, glass. And this is what gives it that little starlight effect. Because if you look at the... If you look at that, it doesn't give it a starlight effect just yet. But once you put the light in this glass... See that? Yeah. This is gonna go in here, and this is so that the water doesn't go in there, supposedly. But you already know how that goes. Oh shit! You know what? Where's the screwdriver at? I don't know. Look at the camera. Put it through the rubber seal. Oh, dude, since these are all different like pieces and shit, shit gets so complicated. Push in that wire real quick. Alright, there. Maybe the screws aren't long enough. Nah, they're not long enough. A little one. So what I'm gonna have to do is go on with these ones, but these are more tough. And these I gotta take. Well, we'll show the aftermath when it's done, but right now, basically, just screw everything in and that's it. So, alright. So now that's connected. And this is what I mean by it. We're just gonna put these little nuts inside the bolt. Everything should be good. Now we're just gonna get a zip tie. Here, hold it. Put it right here. Hold it. You're gonna get all this extra wire from the very bottom and wrap it up evenly. So like make sure that you're able to work on it. So like that one, and then this one, and then the other one. Just like that. snip this. Bam. That's it. Down, back up there. That's right. Yeah. We'll do the other one later. Alright. Before I take off, right now I'm in San Diego. We just got finished getting loaded too. Right now we're just picking up everything. We're chopping it up with some guy that goes, oh, you know, she looks nice. A ver, let's see. Just gonna make sure that my oil is good. I did this at 4,200. So 1052, and right now it's already like at 1042. So let's check the oil. I got the tires polished. I had the truck washed not too long ago. But yeah. Alright, y'all. We're right here at Altai Mesa. Right here at I don't even know. There's the Arco AMPM, the Jack in the Box, and then there's a 76 right here in the back. I got homeboy right here. He cleans headlights. And la neta, all I have is 5 for cash right now. But I told him that I have a little channel, you know, if anybody out here seeing. Yo, ¿cómo se llama? ¿Cómo? Simón. Simón. Y aquí no, todos los días está aquí. Todos los días. He says he fixes, he'll clean your headlights, polish your rims. ¿Qué hace? ¿Más a esto? Okay. He'll clean headlights out here for you, so he's out here in this area in Altai Mesa right here at I'll put a little picture of the map of where I'm at exactly. But yeah, y'all, if y'all see Simon, make sure to hit him up. Make sure to hit him up, you know, have him clean your little headlights right here. Alright, y'all, he don't cheap out. He pulled out the clear coat. Turn off the ¿Está mejor con las focas prendidas o así? Así como sea. I was actually thinking about this too. I was like, you know what? It'd be clean if you had that clear coat with them. I was thinking about that right now too. I was like, clear coat. Cause I was like, oh, there's no way it's gonna look good as fuck without the clear coat, but homie pulled out the clear coat. So you know he's official. Hell yeah. See that? No, sí. Ya se abrió más.
Se abrió más la luz.
Sí. No, pues mira, igual al broker le digo que me mande para acá. Y si lo miro, aquí nos miramos. Well, you can't say shit because of the light, but it was all fogged up like this one. This was all fogged up. This one you can start seeing inside, but yeah. No, pues ahí está, hijo.
¿Ya viste?
Ahí está. Ahí para la otra, sí.
Mi trabajo.
No, sí, a huevo, hell yeah. Ahí para la otra también para hacer eso. Nada más que ahorita no tengo cash.
Hablo mucho inglés, hablo español, pero ahí está mi trabajo. Mi trabajo habla por mí.
He basically said he doesn't know much English, but basically what he does know how to say is his work speaks for himself. So there it is. Before I start taking off, he was telling me, take a look at this. So look, he said Pulean focos, car lights polished. Hit up my boy Simon. Gracias, Simon. Que tenga un buen día o noche. Hell yeah.